already I have created students database. Now I am going to create tables. In student database, we may have different information of a student in many tables, like students' personal information, bus information, marks details, attendance records, fees record, etc. All these records we can store in many tables within the same database. Now, in two ways we can create the tables. One is by using datasheet view, one is by using design view. Here I will show you how you can create table in datasheet view. By default, when we create the table, that is our datasheet view only. So you first go to create, then table. This is our table 1, and this is our datasheet view. In datasheet view, directly we can create the fields and directly we can enter the records. Okay, so say I am going to create a table of students details. So in students details we may have, and one thing is that ID is always, you can see here, if you want to keep this ID then no need to change it, or if you don't want to take it then you can change it also. And by default ID's data type is always auto number. See here, this is the data type, and auto number, the value of auto number we cannot change, I already discussed. So I will change the ID and I will take the data type as text, and I will change it to admission number. You all of you have admission number. During admission time you get the admission number, so this is admission number. Then one student have, then you click tab or double click here. Then student name, I am going to store student st name, say st name. Then tab gender tab. Then date of birth tab. Then address tab. Then contact number also you can take, contact number. Okay, you can take parents name also, father's name, mother's name, so it's up to you. I am going to store this information only. So admission number data type is text, student name text, gender text, date of birth, yes, I am going to change it. Date of birth is date or time. See here in data type, I have already discussed different data types. So here these are the data types. You can, in advanced version you can see other data types also. And date time format, I am giving general date time format. Address may be long for a student, so I am going to change it as memo. Then contact number, you can take text or you can take number also, but if you take number, it cannot, if you have longer number then it will be not accepted, so I will take text only. Okay, now you go, you can directly enter the value, say admission number. So admission number 1, and admission number is unique for all the students, it is not repeated, admission number is not repeated. Okay, so say 1 2 3, I am giving student name, say Seema, tab gender is say female. Here you can take gender data type as yes or no also. You have yes no data type, so you can take yes no also, but I am taking female. Text also, date of birth you can click from here also, say any data type. Address, I am giving Guwahati. Contact number you can give. Okay, so this way you can enter all the records of all the students. Okay, now after entering the records you have to save the table. So go to here and save it. Say I am giving this table name as students information info. Okay, So see, name had changed. So this is your navigation pane, and in navigation pane you can see all the objects name. Table is one object, so you can see table. Now you can create different tables. Syllabus information table here, marks details table here, fees information tables. All the tables you can create within the same database. Okay.